Hello, Hookah University. This is Paul. I'm here with Emily and Ryan and Raul. We're hanging out in my garage. We just smoking the hookah. What you guys do? Hello, David. Welcome. I hope you come home and make it on time. We are playing Monopoly with the boys. Come join our party. Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. Today is Wednesday. Today might... Hey, get out of the way. Hey, get out of the way. Okay. Let me do this over. Anyways, I just wanted to remind everybody that tomorrow everybody's going to Florida. A lot of people are going to Florida for the meetup. Everybody have a safe travels. Make sure you pack all your belongings. Make a list. Don't forget your...